Every day, our kitchen creates waste. Vegetable peels, leftover rice, fruit scraps. But all of these still have life in them, full of natural nutrients and microbes. Instead of throwing them away, I choose to reuse them, to turn waste into something valuable, a natural liquid fertilizer made from kitchen waste. I use a simple container, just an old bottle or a small bucket. Every time I cook, I put the leftovers here, vegetable peels and fruit scraps. Avoid anything oily, salty, or meaty. Keep it natural. Layer after layer, the waste builds up slowly, like compost forming inside the bottle. The order is dry waste, wet waste, then dry again, until it fills up. To help the decomposition process, I add a few spoons of brown sugar dissolved in water. This sweet solution feeds the good microbes, making fermentation faster and reducing bad odors. Pour the sugar solution over each layer of kitchen waste. Soon, the water seeps through and collects at the bottom. After about 3 weeks, the materials start breaking down. The liquid collected at the bottom changes color. We call it leachate, or compost tea. It may not look appealing and has a strong smell, but it's rich in nutrients and beneficial microbes. I pour it into a separate bottle, then sun-dry it for 3 to 5 days until the color turns brick red and the smell fades. After collecting the liquid, I still have the solid compost left inside the bottle. It's rich in organic matter, a perfect soil booster. I don't throw it away. I bury it directly into the garden bed or around my potted plants. Slowly, it breaks down again and improves the soil structure. Nothing goes to waste. Everything returns to the earth. Before using, this liquid fertilizer must be diluted. I mix it with water at a ratio of 1 to 20 liters. Then I pour about 200 milliliters to each plant once a week. I use it for all my plants, citrus, flowers, and homegrown vegetables. The results don't come instantly, but that's what makes gardening feel alive. Leaves stay green, stems strong, and the soil becomes richer. All of this comes from little things we once called waste. From trash comes new life. This is my small step towards zero waste gardening. Nothing is wasted. Everything returns to the soil. Yuk Ngaban, grow from what we already have.